and I'm really happy, really happy to join this inaugural. I believe only the group 3 is here. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Only group 3, and we have our assistant commissioners also, and other principals, host principal, Dr. Sumanlata is also here, ma'am, and other principals have also joined.
Okay. I have joined I'm in that group, WhatsApp group, the CCT Master Trainers, and I am aware of all the developments that had been taking place since the formation of the group, and I could see that how much of effort has gone into the today's workshop, and I'm sure that the objective with which I wanted this workshop to happen will be definitely achieved. Lot of logistical management had to be done, because you had to plan. There are a lot of participants, so in 4 groups you had to plan. Then to make it effective, I could see you have already given some assignment to the participants, so that participants are mentally prepared to participate in an effective manner. So I'm aware of all that. I'm really glad that this is happening, and this will not be the end. We will like to take it further forward, so that CCT becomes the part and parcel of our routine classroom teaching learning process. That is the idea. That is what is the final objective. Because when this you will be deliberating with the participants that when this CCT was conceptualized, the idea was to address the problems our education system right now is struggling with, despite all our honest efforts. So the problem everyone observed was, even a class 9 child is not able to read, is not able to, his vocabulary is very limited at times. Then also basic mathematical concepts, a class 9 child is not able to perform. The many learning gaps are seen even when the child